People are also disappointed in the governance.
It was for a Ghana TVGH, mesra like you comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature uploaded, you'll be notified. It was for NDC for flag bearer election there. Ebe butu share. Na obi bia offer say ade a yesi wo MPP mu 2023 mbekaya between Dr. Baumia Kennedy Japan showdown. Something to laugh about. After I'm about the actual showdown or NDC. When him say from there almost about 18 years in NDC4 have not really had flag bearer crisis as such, because 2008 no omunyina eta Tamil Sechi to become the leader of their party. Now Tamil no transited to giving to John Mahama. Now, from 2012, 14 years now, no, NDC has basically been united behind John Mahama. 14 years. And the omu enya that time no, to really create a succession plan. Say, oh, after John Mahama, no, ebia okuje to nebeko, atofos nebeko, way, and I say nebeko. And the after they are waking up to that reality, say, Mahama cannot be leader forever. Mahama only has 2 tenure. And the 2 tenure nature, who can step into the shoes of John Mahama or NDC? Now we must be frank to ourselves, we must be sincere to ourselves, knowing say, Sir John Mahama, mpabwa na wa NDC mu, mpabwa kesiye pa. Mpabwa kesiye. Na enye obi bia na betumi afili in that shoe. So far, nipa nyensambi a omedie pie ba bonte se omo na mo pese omo take at John Mahama. Baku ya Asiedu Nketia. Baku ya Julius Debra. Baku ya Mami Prof Jane. Last, be revealed to me say, I said Julius Debra any Prof Jane ntokwa grab omuntem over the 24-hour economy. The Prof Jane timi ba bonte beka say, oh, ma start 24-hour economy no, nkrofo benefit from it. Na Julius Debra so aba bonte abekanta say dey 24-hour economy yan start here. Enye ade bia ebe rashe. Eye mre, enye mama ye mre. Now say no, the new revelation that also coming at Asiedu Nketia versus Julius Debra ntokwa. Per insider informations no. Chairman Asiedu Nketia MP crisis of Julius Debra name. The same way chief of staff no baby Asiedu Nketia be call bia no. Onko. Now anytime Asiedu Nketia goes to visit a constituency B or free ope Julius Debra se be arrangement now alcohol. Akos say mo ama Asiedu Nketia. Just say barely 2 years in power no. John Mahama, His Excellency, has lost a control over the party. No? People are already aligning. Conform back to Asiedu Nketia side, they started going. And to me who say, I was so East election, who say no. Don't him say, Baba Jama or Asiedu Nketia boy. And to conform na mo pe Asiedu Nketia say no. Omuna mo sorry tia Baba Jama and say, akwakotua for election. Omunyanka mame no enebe wini. Nkofo amoye against Asiedu Nketia. Na mame no so ye ati say ebia na owo Julius Debra camp no. So all these things no play a role, massive role outcome of this thing no. Let's go and listen to the conversation. But before that, we are building a massive studio for Ghana TVGH. Total cost 25,000 Ghana. So bet me boy by sending something small to the line beneath there. I'll see the next one. The conversation is happening. Don't go anywhere. Cheers.
People are also disappointed in the governance. Why should I go and vote? Because
disappointed.
Only say NDC stronghold. Let's NDC now. Last we are 20, barely 23,000.
Yeah.
Now I feel I can vote in Abuma. I can climb over the half of total voter. Oh yeah, almost 63,000. Minimum figures about but or around 8,000 or so. This is 8,000. That means basically 2/3 of the vote in a matter matoaba. And then it cannot be for nothing. So fasting cannot be. Some people maybe so, but they say they're about cramming concoto. And I'm also blaming NDC the way I'm painting Baba Jamal after the primaries. I'm painting no Wakoto election. I'm my election who say it is kind of winning. Tell so much as Kadiana more among Kotomadi. And so my among for discourage. And the motivation is by me say one of these NDC as a look at this or strong goal here. Cause NDC do a rehearsal. So we can get maybe a 60% turnout and 70% turnout. So I must add that they have something to do. Then I can't must be obviously be winning. Now I'm from PM. Caution this because I'm company very down. Meaning some divided the highest rank I mean some call a chairman and Asiedu Nketia, I the general secretary. Over those in government I the chief of staff. President and call ministers in who they call this a pelpu. And the minister behind the pelpu the minister call. And I organize so call Yemin, but Mubarak Muharram Idris, who say typical Zungwa, like when hear all these Muslim friends saying, and ministers and MPs need to be there, a man call. Even the MPs themselves let them who's a marco. And it's a Nina because
no quiet with them.
Or let me follow on social media, and then I'm for GDB say, not a year candidate I'm open in the Baba Jamal.
Okay.
I'm for V say a year, Asiedu Nketia boy. And he never be breezy behind the scene. Legend 2 days before election, MPC now call come minister, and I'm saying we're waiting for you in Parliament. The Becca must a coincidence, but now there's all lot of excuses. One, two baby cries, Abia, apart from chief of staff and any government official, Bia or so come. Not even the vice president or Bianco. And the chief of staff called and say, I said, look at your call 2 days store, Baba Jamal. No, what's the chief of staff for ambition to become a flag bearer? Also, legend is in public domain. I'm for him. But I learned cross over Shas any what do you call it? Any jogging ibium. The cafe, you know. And then I don't know.
But the man has been there for a long time. Oh,
well,
he's a chief. He was a chief of staff in the President Mahama's first regime. And what's happening?
And he has been with him on the opposition for 8 years.
Yeah, loyalty.
Well, very, very committed.
Yeah, and I like his demeanor. Yeah,
about event out one or didn't come on was about this.
And he's always humble.
Yeah, very humble, very humble. And also, I'm over I don't know quite was because of Asiedu Nketia 2 days ago. On the MPP side, it's almost a mom because they had about 13,000 last election. This time around more than 3,000-4,000.
4,000.
And the almost so anchor because they maintain said leadership on our from the party leadership, from chairman to the organizers, and Marco. Even on the 2 days before election, Sunday MPP because NDC ko rally krano. Me this MPP akoko bibisa. I say almost ma give up. Maybe I'm face a candidate no ne munyedu. A whole lot of it is. And to both sides nano, almost so campaign no anyem amu do na anya kese no. And so discourage am from going out to vote. Ka tension bi wo mu kakra say na e si wa kotia ne ade ires na e bianca. Did one na akwa abancho koto aba no. But from far na man for so e dan ya in this way wini. Maybe we need here. Why should I waste my time to go and vote? But I didn't this person major to me say, "Maybe I can say disappointed." And no, I'm sure Ayɛka Mustafa. When Mustafa was trying to draw attention, look, yes, you lose, but 10 out of 2 should tell you say most people are disappointed in you. Ayɛka say, "No, I'm on for your fasting. These are going well." And at the end, but again, I want to believe that some people could be disappointed.
Okay.
And I think they should work on that.
Now, it's a mails. It says, "Tell Salam. Ayatollah Khomeini did not simply stage a coup in 1979 against Shah."
And then I'm a Chiamba. A teacher's for almost try and bad dear. Ten Ombeya being pimpa. Ombey Ababa Buagana. And then Omuntia Wonka. Now, so a Kwabani of Mr. McCatchy Nafa. Or Nipa ate me the Ghana or Poposia top private jets. Mr. D.A.C. no say na do na ya. Nke na brakwa ni Sam George. Ka ende o man ya so tunya wo Ghana. Sikana ye hia dia so so makokofo no. Sikana ye say the teachers for car and nurses for car no po. Sikana nipa ba ko tam ko to private jet. What the chemu a and do sikana baby a. Gonja mafia see oni sike dia de magana for. Me a taxpayer, me tia tax. Me tia tax. Who so one mo kasa ye ho mo peda acha ma won ba o. Who so bi kasa ye one mo peda acha obi on ni bra bia bono on pe bra bono. Ya kasa orenti ase. Who say NDC for no mo won won. Omo ni bra bia wo titiri ye zongo for. Sa die we nti na ma ne zongo poverty ekunye no because ye ni ma die efe ni school ye nti school ase. Kanuba zongo free education ya eba and there's zongo for so ye be kono kanuba zongo mostly NPP from man ko school say easy for man asa me kazongo ni be ani free state na eba and there ba buan kola na mu ko school a nka first wo pe o school na ko SS wo pe o school na ko SS wo pe o school na ko SS she say obi papa esi mu de mu ko SHS free now so we na so pass out the college student loan na ko now we are me employee o na mo adwuma ye na o de teka o be ka trend say ba o me ba o liar na oni hwidi ma youth no it's 2022 sorry yeah 2022 nipa ba ko mo 2020 or 2021 napco e ba ye ben
napco be cha kufado be na the napco be bia
I think that
2019
2019 yeah
2019
obi the one day I employ youth almost 100,000 agu napco mo si wan ya hwe aside India also technology digitalization afa so de dwuma ba man dem bepuni ye bi ye musi wan ye hwe uko dinap event so platform so from one platform to another Ayɛka Chairman for say wo die sa friendships na wo de ba ye no o ma ye ni ye nti no wo ba man nkro na headmasters fa kwa amasama akoto aponche na mana na do no nkosuare ene ye first 290 no enye man nkro na wo de aponche ni eye na wo se ba akomata nkro na kote share free wo ba ye no wo ye opposite o si ma ye nkasa hwe de Ghana akọ message ebe kakra wo ye wo ha na mo yate se wa toya ma Iran force ye ko patando kwa the Mahama the Ghana to flight mood no join no and yes sir ye nwan se na amben but ne ben na ya ye hwe bra ni pa be hwe me kase me raw wo because the ACC no affect me business o me so ba me kwa so ko fanya maba nyama me ba December ka se ba ise ma ko ba kwa abo but free December me ko market ba me ko bio me because me sika na me nya 45% here na baby am free so ekokofo na do fo ha me nurse fo na ye adwuma me police fo na ye adwuma and teachers fo me say na mo twa me kafa ba akotia no mba no say me so me nim akoso ntimi nkasa ntie so ya affect ye say tua aba adwuma fo aka na tua kokofo kala sika ba kurom nso hwene ekọ me say hwe onu premier ni ya ade awo sunko John Mahama no wo na opeso ugusuku ma ye na ende so ba ko tua boarding fee antua feeding fee no nka kwame nkuma anya nto ma na nso ko obi anka ndo ba be president na obu Ghana na mo se ba me ba olaya I am a scammer I am a scammer Mahama ni abutrika laptop pen e difference that one thing laptop and e difference
naka one be me laptop yo I want to be in the laptop
laptop pen e different ya kan obi NDC for bi o ma dwen bubu a me nim say that say ade na won hwuon say that na won pe so mo nim so na mo hyeden so ori hu number mo committee kan kwasi asem na do mama de won dwen be di na okrom won ba ye me ya say asem ya be say na se ni eka Now NPP communicators, NPP bloggers, you go national executive. This is the time I say back home. This is the time I say back home. Say amount come a candidate dear for basa. May a master national election ya ko entity and team. We are kwalana or platform no pay abunu. Na sabi. TikTok ne may be back we be share. But so who call life business eh? My music me involve me because me I don't want to involve myself. Because that election be show be on here fine. Now I couldn't knock on yakasa. But my if pay for more TikTok so I'm tie ye. Ye young kola. The most of be some mess some ya mun friend on back door am so no. Now babonte. Because a babonte ya ye ni mguasie. E babonte ya ye ni mguasie. This time around, they can't boot for booto. Into your pay, even now, instead, but someone now be you, man, home, because you two now, baby, you do the fire back also.
Exactly.
The fire back also. Because 2024, and you 30%. Because next before a month from. But they say a month from now, soon say, my uncle, see, the amount to but my mistake, the amount to do. The time when the young fire party by NPP bloggers take us my NPP no my master unless you were embedded and Tim. As some of some private jetty NPP communicators moon some namun casa. I say Misika or Mubi, Usika or Biasika or Mubi. Mahama and top event said Ibrahim Mama in top private jet that this is about power not the private jets. Ibrahim Maria doya that this is about power no ye market second to organa efusika en gana sika. She go you go hweniaka. You go hweniaka. The masho mo bin twa so na.
Kwene